Here we have the HF410 French door system. Now the main difference between the doors and the windows is the width of the sash. With the Internorm system, you can actually use the window profile in a door. The only downside is that you would lose the external handle that we've got on display here. To match with the other window we have on display, this is also in the HFM04 or the DB703 fine structure metallic finish. With this being the HF410, that has an aluminium on timber system. The HF410 French doors are only available opening in. You can't have an open out option. But if you do want them to open out, we do have a range of alternative options that we can provide within the same project. With this HF410, we've got a spruce internal finish. There's actually 6 or 7 different spruce finishes available, ranging from a light to a dark spruce. With the French doors and the windows as well actually, you can have exposed or concealed hinges. The exposed hinges allow you to go for larger sizes, but the concealed hinges just look a little bit neater. On display, we've got a side hung French door. That means that this will just open in this way, but you can also have them with a tilt and turn function as well. Being a French door, both doors are available to open. Once you pop this one, we can then push the tab down here and open the secondary door, giving you that full opening space. Down here, we've got the low aluminium threshold. This is a weather rated low aluminium threshold, so it allows for that nice flush detail inside to outside, but also without any reduced weather ratings. All Internorm doors and windows come with multi-point locking. This makes them a brilliant high security option as well. As you can see here, when you lift the handle, the points are engaging, so when we close the door, it's locked in place.